Welcome back to LaPorte Adventures. Today we're diving into the ultimate bowling experience at the Main Event in Orlando, Florida. Located on International Drive, Main Event is the go-to spot for family fun and entertainment. The bowling lanes here are top-notch with smooth surfaces and shiny pins just waiting to be knocked down. Whether you're a seasoned bowler or just looking for a fun night out, the Main Event has got you covered. But that's not all. The Main Event offers a variety of attractions, including a multi-level laser tag and an arcade with over 100 interactive games.
Together's the way we know. Laser tags and arcades bright light. Winning tickets take on.
They also have a grill serving up American food, where you can enjoy delicious shareables like wings, loaded nachos, oven-baked artisan pizza, all while you bowl.
Laughter echoes through the gate, sharing moments all the same.
That was the one.
Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's better.
There you go.
The atmosphere is vibrant and energetic, with big screen TVs and high-energy bar serving handcrafted cocktails, craft beers, and a wide variety of wines.
Whoa!
Together's the way we know.
That was bad. Why you?
Main Event in Orlando.
It's the perfect place to unwind and have a blast with your friends and family.
Film a strike, she's number one. Friends all cheering, having fun. LaPorte Adventures, here we go. Jumping high and rolling low. Every game and every show. Together's the way we know. Pack your bags, let it go. LaPorte Adventures, start the show. Candyville, Matt and Drew, traveling around the world for you. Hit the road, we're feeling free. Orlando's where we got to be. Main Event's the place to rock. Bowling alleys round the clock. Bowling stripes and never stops. Vilma shine, she hits the top. Games and friends, we laugh and cheer. LaPorte's Adventures bring us near. Arcades flashing everywhere. Laser tagging. Billions with some trick shots too. Race the cars and join the crew. Pizza nights and prizes won. Main Event just begun. Kenny's aiming for a spare. Laughter fills the midnight air. Shouting loud with victory.
Almost.
Adventures wild and free. Film the bowls of perfect game. Matthew Andrews stake their claim.
Woo! Spare!
Pins all lined up straight, knock them down.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and adventures. Leave your comments below and let us know your favorite bowling spot. Leave your comments below and let us know your favorite bowling spot in Orlando. And remember to get out and explore. For more amazing content, head over to LaPorte Adventures on YouTube to see more.